¿Cómo se llama? Bonita.
Shakira, Shakira. Good morning, party people. It is 3:30 in the morning and I've slept for approximately 1 hour. I also look like I've been drenched in some teriyaki sauce from my spray tan. So we're off to a rocking start. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready and we will be off to the airport to Puerto Rico. Will we make it? That is the question. We're out here. We're out here at the airport. Waiting. You look good. You look cute. We're waiting in line. It's popular in India? Okay. So ugly. It tastes just like a cookie.
Yeah, kind of. It's a biscuit. So I bought it from the Indian store here.
Okay.
Indian grocery store, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it from there.
So we're here, we made it to Puerto Rico. We're so excited. I'm with all my BFFs. Oh my gosh. So fun. We're so jazzed. Yeah.
If you're in Old San Juan, go to Parque Las Palomas Pigeon Park. Feed pigeons.
Stop judging me. Just get used to me on camera. Come on. The camera loves you, okay?
Huge, like, wall thing over here.
What the heck? That was awesome. These sea lights are insane! Say hello to the YouTube channel. Hi YouTube! Hello, let's go to the videos. I'm gonna be famous. You taking your autographs now? I put my #1 goal in life is just to be famous. Ladies!
Construction going on. Construction on or
This is all Oh, I just realized. Wait a second. I got the senior reps and the top reps in my card. That was not planned. I'm not complaining. Welcome to my crib. I'm right here. Is this where the magic happens?
Oh yeah.
And this is the dining area. Bitch, yes. doors. We gotta have the see-through cabinet. Which we don't. We don't fuck with those plates.
No.
We don't fuck with the. Oh, we fuck with plates.
We fuck with
We
plates.
fuck with
We
plates.
fuck with plates. Okay.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is our living area. This is the living area. The Jersey Shore.
Okay.
Yeah, work it.
Yeah.
Woo! Where are we going right now? Yeah, where are we going?
I think an island.
Yeah! We're going on a boat and we're gonna go snorkeling. Yeah! It's a beautiful day in Puerto Rico.
And at the bar, you're going to have Mom Top Johnny.
Yeah! There you go. We're having such a great day out here. I just threw up off the side of the boat and all over myself. It's fantastic. Oh my god.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning.
My hair is like literally, it looks so ragged. My hair, it does. Look at this. It's too much.
I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way.
Okay, so today's adventure has got acai bowls. And they were pretty good. Yummy! And now we're just walking along the ocean over here. And we're having a good time. Yeah. So yeah.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on beating the size of your body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel your boy. And then let's go real slow. Don't you see that this is perfect?
What are we doing, guys?
We're gonna go ATVing in the
Woo!
rainforest.
Yeah! And now we're also looking at horses too. They're so like majestic. Woo! Yeah! We're out here. So we're out here getting ready to tour one of the forts that we thought was a castle. I'm like out of breath from just coming up the hill was a little bit of a hike. The view, we're not even like, we haven't even started hiking the castle. But the view's really, really pretty. Very exciting. What's down there? Said every first person to die in a horror movie. The master bedroom.
Yeah.
Just thinking about all the history here. I think it's dope. So this is where they had like the cannons. Experience of living life.
Yeah.
Look here. What
Hi.
are you doing? We're going on security. We're going home. The end of the trip. The set. Party people.